Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Szechuan sauce. First, gather your ingredients, including dried chilies, Szechuan peppercorns, and a few common pantry staples. Next, we will prepare the aromatics and spices to build a robust flavor base. Then, we will combine everything and simmer it to perfection, creating a sauce that is both fiery and deeply savory. This guide makes it easy for anyone to master. To begin, you'll need about 15 dried red chilies, which are crucial for the sauce's signature heat. Don't forget the Szechuan peppercorns. They deliver that distinctive ma-la numbing sensation. Fresh garlic, ginger, and green onions are essential aromatics that build a fragrant foundation. A good quality soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sugar will balance the flavors beautifully. First, soak your dried chilies in hot water for about 20 minutes to soften them. While they soak, gently toast the Szechuan peppercorns in a dry pan until fragrant, then grind them into a fine powder. Next, sauté the minced garlic, ginger, and chopped green onions until aromatic. Add the rehydrated chilies, ground peppercorns, and other liquid ingredients, simmering until the sauce thickens slightly. For a milder sauce, you can reduce the number of dried chilies, or for extra heat, add a few more. Once cooled, store your homemade Szechuan sauce in an airtight jar in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for noodles, stir-fries, or as a dipping sauce. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.